Ah, sa taas? Hey! Hey!
And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's NU against UE, RUAAP match. Ay, Basketballista. And our official referee for today is referee Jumong and rep for Emmanuel. First position of NU is Calatuche. Oh, nice defense on Libres. Now penetrante. Looking for Lacson. Long two strong rebound on UE. Now Ritual. Looking for Rushman. Looking for Libres. Steal again by Lacson. Lacson all the way on Lacson. First basket, first shot coming from NU. Now Ritual, our number one player of assist now, coming from Black behind by Penetrante. It's 14 to shoot. Inbound Ritual, looking for Libres. Yes, on Libres. Now to all. It's a battle of NU against UE. Now Calatuche to Samoy. Open jumper, Samoy. 4-2. It's 2-point lead now. Back to NU. A shot on Javier.
Walang lasa, no? Hindi masasabi ba yung manghang?
It's foul on number 7. Foul. Foul on number 1. On Lacson. First on Lacson. First team foul. Lenyo, Javier, size up. Too strong now. Anas. Looking for Calatuche. It's Calatuche. Guard by Wasman. Oh, turnover again by NU. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. More order score. Ritual. Looking for RL is still on. Now Lacson, 1-1. Lacson, nice pass to Calatuche. It's Calatuche. Until this pass coming from Lacson. It's 6-4. Or 2-point lead on NU. Now Rushman, guarded by Lacson. Rushman again. Rushman looking for Javier. Back to Ritual. 14 to shoot. Rushman downside. Open out too deep. Rebound on Penetrante. Now Samoy. Carried by Ritual. Samoy, let me try. Oh, nice defense on Ritual. Now Javier. It's Javier. Javier goes to coast. Javier. 6-all. 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Our first game, first match. For our youth, double AP. Season 4 may Basketballista. Penetrante. Carried by Javier. Penetrante. Back to Calatuche. 14 to shoot. Now Lacson, side step, Lacson, no! He's still by Libres. Now Ritual. 1-1 by Lacson, Ritual. Ritual drive, looking for Javier. And then it's foul. Foul on number 16 on Samoy. First personal foul on Samoy, second on NU. 6 minutes. Inbound Ritual. He's still by Lacson. It's Calatuche. 1-1. Calatuche. It's Calatuche. 8-6. Now 2-point lead. On Edu. Rushman. Too deep. Rebound on Samoy. Samoy into Lacson. 2-on-1. Lacson. Spot pick. Lacson. Too strong. Rebound on Ben. Calatuche. It's Calatuche. 1-on-1. May Rushman. Blocked by Rushman. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Calatuche. Too strong. Rebound on Lacson. It's Lacson. It's Rushman. There, Rushman. Ritual. Rest of Ritual. 8-all. It's a fourth deadlock of the game. First game, it's NU. Against UE. 5 minutes. Penetrante. Looking for Anas. Anas to Penetrante. Calatuche. Back to Penetrante. Penetrante to Lacson. Take the shoot. Lacson. Samoy. It's blocked. 24 shot clock violation. 24. It's timeout. All UE's first timeout of the game. It's 8-all. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. First game, first match for our UAAP. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. Scholar Sports, Basketballista, TUI, The Inkers, and Rock Bank, Abu Dhabi. And we'd like to thank our two referees for tonight. Referee number 5, Jomo, and referee Manuel. Inbounding Libres, RL. HRL. Steal by Lacson. Lacson, let me try. Short. Airball, nothing but airball. 4 minutes and 15. Now Ritual. Guarded by Lacson. Ritual, second steal by Lacson. Lacson, no, Liga and Champion pass again. What a pass from Lacson. It's not there. 2-point lead on NU. Rushman. Steal by Penetrante. 2-on-2. Right now, Calatuche. Favorite shot is foul. Bang! You can Carmen, as Calatuche says. 12-8. Foul on Ritual. First on Ritual. First team foul on UE. It's 3 minutes and 48 seconds. On a speed throw coming from Calatuche. 13-8, 5-point lead on NU. Now RL. It's RL time. RL move. Steal again on Calatuche. Calatuche, 1-on-1. Calatuche. Nice to Lacson. Bang! Lacson, 15-8. Oh, 3 minutes tayo 3 minutes. Ano nangyari? Dalawa lang. Now Ritual. Javier, move, Javier, open. Yes on Javier. 10-15. It's 5-point lead on NU. Calatuche, guarded by Ritual. It's Calatuche, short defense on Ritual. It's Ritual, turnover again by NU. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. 5-point lead NU. Now Calatuche. Penetrante. Long three. Short. Oh, Anas. Javier is there. Javier. Now Ritual. Our number 1 assistant player by Ritual. Move Ritual. Black. Penetrante. Now it's you. It's jump ball. And UE ball. UE. It's red ball. UE. Rushman. Long three. Too strong. Rebound on Samoy. It's Lacson again. Lacson. 3-on-2. Lacson stop. Looking for a pump. Lacson. Short. Pagtibag. Still again by Lacson. It's fourth that now Pinitrante. 17-10. It's 7-point lead on NU. Ritual. It's Ritual to go. Javier too deep. Di ba mga tibag? Calatuche again. Calatuche. It's Calatuche. Calatuche. 19-10. It's 9-point lead on NU. Now Ritual. He's still again on Samoy. Ritual again. Ritual is foul. Foul again on Lacson. Third on NU. Second personal foul on Lacson. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Javier. Move. Deep tap. Rebound on Samoy. It's Calatuche all alone. It's Calatuche. 21 against 10. 11-point lead now NU. Matibag. Now Ritual, side step, Ritual looking outside, it's foul. Foul on number 32 on Pinitrante. Warning for penalty on NU. First, on number 32, Pinitrante. $59 seconds, 59. Early entry, violation on NU, 55 seconds. Short. It's foul. Foul on Matibag. It's first on Matibag, second team foul against UE. Now Calatuche. Signature shot, air ball, Libres. To Ritual, 1-1 by Calatuche. Ritual. Nice defense. Yes, 8-second violation on UE. Nice defense on NU. 30 seconds.
Hindi yun Matibag, Bistudio yun. Bistudio naman nakalagay sa likod niya.
Shoot, 23 seconds. Lacson. Calatuche. Crossover ball. Calatuche. Samoy. Samoy 9. 11 seconds, 11. Ritual. To Javier. Javier, long good, too strong. Rebound on Ratsman. 5 seconds. Short. And our first quarter score 21 against 10. 11-point lead on NU. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Tumata ba si Ben? Tagal natin yung buntis-buntis.
Wala anak.
Ano?
Sabi mo yun. Ano ako studio yun?
Kuya! Oo, Bistudio.
Ano yan? Ano to?
Wait. Sir. Wait. Sir, tagal mo yun.
Sumande.
Okay.
Stress ka na. Sige ka. Ikaw ako.
Sambilay. Sambilay. Wala si Salas.
Alba. Calatuche. Back to Alba. Alba, first attempt. Too strong. Rebound on Calatuche. Tapay Sambilay. 14 seconds clock.
Ay ba?
Sambilay. Calatuche. Signature shot. Too strong. Rebound by Bistudio. It's Malajos. Malajos for 3. Bang! It's Malajos. 13-21. It's
Nakikita ni Mala Diyos.
Sambilay. Oh, alam mo, narin ko sa pagkasto sa Sambilay again. 2 Kalatuche. 1-1, Kalatuche. Pay na chan, Kalatuche rebound, Kalatuche. It's nice defense on UE. 14% shot, not 14. Alba. Drive, side step. It's Alba, 8 foul. Basket count and 1 on Alba. Foul on number 74 on Bustudio. Second on Bustudio. First team foul on UE. It's 8 minutes and 54 seconds. 23 against 10. 23 against 13. It's 10-point lead on NU Bulldogs. Now Ritor. Kadimay Kaluche. Again, Malajos, second try, rebound on NU. It's Kalatuche. Kalatuche pass the outside. Now, Sambilay.
Sumalde.
Sambila, 27. 25 sa Walde.
Now, Malajos. Malajos, block. Rebound on Sarmento. Short. Sarmento again. Now, Minorias. Back to the trigger man, Luro. Rebound on Alba. It's 4-2. Alba to Kalatuche. Kalatuche is foul. Foul on Rintor. First personal foul on Rintor. Second on UE.
Number 16, how many foul?
16 on NU.
24-13.
Samoy first.
25-13. It's 12-point lead on the Bulldogs. Now Minorias. Looking for Rintor. Back to Minorias. Malajos. Third try. Again to the Bustudio. Bustudio top. Rebound on Sarmento. Rebound on Malajos. It's Malajos. 14% shot clock. Malajos. Side step to her. Malajos. Where are you? Malajos. Black. Rebound on Malajos again. Kalatuche. It's Sarmento. Sarmento Kalatuche. Kalatuche is foul.
Ganda sa pag-shoot.
Foul on Minorias. First on Minorias, 13 foul on UE. Two free throw shot, Pan Kalatuche. He's perfect on the line for the free throw shot for Kalatuche, 26-13.
It's not ng puro ni Kalatuche pasok eh. Aywa.
Same ball, 14% shot clock. And pass is foul. Foul on Bustudio. Warning for penalty on UE.
Studio third.
Third against Bustudio.
Medal
6 minutes and 53 seconds. 27-13 is 14-point lead on the Bulldogs. Minorias. Rentor, let me try Rentor. Easy money from Rentor. Alba. Looking for Kalatuche. Too strong. Rebound on Sarmento. Looking for Minorias. Now Minorias. Looking for Malajos. Malajos is foul. Foul on number 27 on Sumbilay. First on Sumbilay. First team foul on NU. Malajos, 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Minorias. Bustudio. Black. 5 to shoot. Sarmento. Wow! Sarmento. 27-17, 10-point lead now, MU. Alba. Alba time, Alba foul.
74.
Foul again on Studio. Now penalty on UE.
Studio 4.
Fourth personal foul on number 74 on Studio.
Ay, Bibi Alba shoot.
Rebound on Sarmiento. Now Minorias guarded by Subilay. Torintoro! It's Alba. Alba move. Rebound is foul. Foul on number 30, Malajos. Penalty, penalty.
Malajos first.
First personal foul on Malajos. Four minutes and 10. It's UE ball. And we'd like to thank our sponsors for our sports, TUI, the Inkers, and Basketballista. Sarmiento, big Sarmiento, too strong, rebound by St. Paul, 14 na set shot clock, 14. Inbound ng Studio. Malajos, big, 10 to shoot. Foul! Foul on number 27. Second personal foul on Sampilay. Second team foul at you. 18 against 227. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 19 against 27. Crossover now, Kilagache. Short. Rebound on Alba. Arentor. Same ball. It's 14 na set shot clock. 3 minutes 18 seconds.
Kaya Mike, time out po kami pag nag-ero ka.
Rebound on Sarmiento. Minorias. Rendor. Is Minorias. Malajos for three. Bang! Bang! On Malajos. Is your second 3-point shot on Malajos. 27-22. 14 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Alba time out on UE. It's 29-22. Back to 7-point lead and you Bulldogs. And we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our official referee for tonight is Referee Jong the Great and Manuel L. Quezon.
The president.
Kalaban kayo?
Naglalaro si Cartagena.
Now Rendor.
Si Idol.
Malajos. Short. Rebound on menu. Now Alba. Alba to Calatuche, still by Rentor, Calatuche by Calatuche. It's Rentor to Sarmento. Sarmento, looking to Malajos. Fourth try, Malajos to the rebound on somebody. Now Pirata. Oh, shoot! Pirata again. Shoot again, Pirata. 1 minute and 50 seconds. To studio. Minorias. 14 to shoot. 10. Rebound on Calatuche. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pirata, let me try. Reynalda, rebound on the studio. It's Rentor to Rentor. Rentor stop up. Rentor again, Rentor. Rentor to Sarmento. 24-29. 1 minute, Alba. Oh, in and out by Alba. Calatuche, fake. It's Calatuche. In and out again by Calatuche. 58 seconds. Malajos. Looking for Rentor. 50 seconds. For timeout on Bulldogs. 46 seconds. 24 against 29. 5-point lead on Bulldogs. 46 seconds. 46. And our next game for our inter-province category is Isabela versus Bistak. Calatuche. 40 seconds. Alba. Foul on Bistudio. 5 fouls on Bistudio. 35 seconds, 35. 5 fouls on Bistudio. $35 seconds, 35.
Opo. Tortahan, napasok na.
Against 24. Rentor, 30 seconds. It's rubbing violation, 26 seconds, 26. Calatuche. Yes, red ball, 16 seconds, 16. 14 seconds. 11 seconds. 11 seconds.
Focus, guys, focus.
Alba. Nice pass. Whoa! Pirata. And our second quarter is 32-24. It's 7-point lead against UE.
Sino? Malajos? Sabi ni Malajos wala nga. Sabi ni Malajos wala.
Hindi, magka-try ka lang.
Balance sa atin doon. Balance UE.
Kuya, bakit ayaw mo ako sumigaw? Mas mo rin ako ah. Nakalimutan mo?
Plus 5 sila. Kulang kayo siyam. 10 sobra sila. Plus 5 sila. Plus 5.
Our score, 29-32. 3-point lead now, NU. Ball game, third quarter.
Nakalaro na lahat siya. Nakalaro na lahat.
Minorias. Rushman. Ang Cartagena. 10 to shoot. RL. In and out by RL. Rebound by Samoy. It's Lacson. Too short by Lacson. RL. Rushman. Looking for Cartagena. Cartagena. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Goal, Cartagena! 32 all. It's our 7th deadlock of the game. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Short. Rebound. On Savoy. Top. It's same ball. Oh, it's red ball. Red ball. Now Minorias.
Final.
Cartagena. 14 to shoot. Rebound by Anas. Anas looking for Calachuche. To Samoy. Block. Foul. Foul on Rushman. It's second on Rushman, first on UE. 2 free throw shot for Penetrante. 33-32. It's the breaking the tie. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Penetrante. 34-32. RL. Same ball, same ball. Now Minorias. Cartagena. Guarded by 2.
Ayo, ayo.
Time to shoot. 5. Rebound again on Cartagena. Short. It's foul on Mahilong. First on Mahilong. Second team foul on UE. (34-32). It's 2-point lead on the Bulldogs. Calachuche. Crossover. By Calachuche. It's foul. Foul on Rushman. It's 13 foul on UE. Second on Rushman. Third on Rushman. Crossover again. It's signature shot. Calachuche. Bang! It's Calachuche. 36-32. 4-point lead now on NU. Anas. It's Anas. 3-on-1. Jackson. Anas again. It's red ball. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Time out on the Warriors. It's 36-32. 4-point lead on the Bulldogs.
Nice one, my friend. Bola.
Cartagena. 14 to shoot. Minorias. Bang! On Minorias. 40, 34, 36. It's 2-point lead now. And you. Lacson to Savoy. Back to Lacson. Lacson drive. Lacson. Yes, on Lacson. 38 to 34. Back to 4-point again by NU. Now, Minorias. Rebound on Rushman. It's 10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. Short, top. Arnel. Bang! Aro. 4 minutes.
Relax, relax.
14 seconds, shoot! Anas! Lacson! Short! 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Ruxman, go to Anas. Steal by Anas. Steal again by Rushman. Rushman. Rushman, run, move. Short, Mahilong. Bang, time out. On the Bulldogs, it's 38 all. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Each are 7th deadlock of the game. 38 all.
Oh, dipinsa! Harap na! Pagkain lang na ito! Nice!
Short. Rebound. It's foul. Foul on Libres.
Oo! Dipinsa!
10 to shoot. Short. Red, what decision red? Report. Technical foul on Sarmiento for shorting. Sub the pass up. Subdivision red. Warning for penalty now, UE. Second personal foul on Sarmiento. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Ritual, let me try on Ritual. Now 40 to 38 is 2-point lead down UE. High steal, second steal. It's Ritual. 42, 38. 4-point lead now, UE. Too strong on Savoy. Javier, go on Javier. 44 to 38, 6-point lead now, UE. Savoy. Whoa! It's Savoy. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Javier. Javier. Kalachuche. May Kalachuche. Foul. Foul on Javier. It's penalty left.
Javier first.
First personal foul on Javier.
Kay Matuchay.
1 minute and 8 seconds.
Ilang bahala no? Angat!
1 minute.
Why?
55 seconds.
Shoot!
It's foul.
Samuel.
Foul on number 8 on Peralta. First on NU. First personal foul against Peralta. 47 seconds.
Isa lang. Relax lang.
Shoot!
47 point lead now on UE. 40 seconds. Sarmento. 30 seconds. Ritual.
Ay, ikaw din. Oh, no.
20 seconds.
Ito din!
Oh! 10 seconds.
Oh.
5 seconds. 1 second. 1 second.
Na-shoot. Na-shoot.
Hindi na-shoot eh. 3 seconds.
Ah.
It's foul on Kalachuchi on Javier.
Javier. Javier second. Javier second.
Portito.
May schedule ron, no?
Wala.
Ha?
Sa aso. Sa pig. UP. Ugma pa.
Ugma ka ron. Sure ba?
Ugma lagi.
19? Ay, kaya ata.
Ugma pa.
Pero,
Jumam.
It's 47-44. Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter.
ugma ba na ron?
Ugma pa lagi. Intertrapis ko rin. Yo, wag yung mga player. Ito ora.
Kaya ata. Ay,
Ito sa group.
19.
Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter.
Uli lang ko, kaya ata.
Ugma pa. Second game. Ugma.
Last quarter. Our next game, it will be inter-province category. It's Bistak versus Isabela. Papa Balls. Signature shot. Rebound on RL. Ritual. 1-1 by Samoy. Ruxman. Out. Kalachuchi. It's foul. Foul on 0-0 on RL. First team foul on UE. First personal foul on RL. It's 9 minutes and 27 seconds.
Sure na. At nilagay sa third. Lagay mo sa third. Third quarter. Huwag na sa third.
Balik.
It's foul. Foul on number 7 on Anas. Second personal foul on Anas. First on NU.
Idol, wala pa. Last 5 sila. Wala pa. Ang gas 5 kasi.
Kanina, binigay ko na.
Yung second quarter pa lang daw, naibigay na.
Nice! Tatagong lang.
48-44. It's 8 point lead for Tintin on UE.
Ito, isa. Oo. Resa.
Air ball.
Balik. Wala. Kala.
Ruxman. Foul. Foul on Anas. It's second personal foul on Anas.
Yes, hello, madam.
Second team foul on you.
Yeah. Good evening. Good, alhamdulillah.
Anas. Short. Ruxman. Alright. Long. Too strong. Javier. Bang. Javier. Alba. It's red ball.
Okay lang, focus lang to. Oo, bola ha. Relax lang. Gabi turas. Wala, nasa ako. Sige lang.
It's airborne. As Mr. Referee said.
Airball?
Airborne.
Airport?
Born.
Airborne? Ay, mga ganun-ganun pa kasi.
Kalachuche. Hey, Anas.
Sambilay si
Back-to-back turnover on you. It's 7 minutes. Now ritual. Traveling violation, traveling by shot, time out. Oh, then you, time out, then you. It's 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Short. Let's check again. Samoy. Anas, 10 to shoot. Alba. Rebound on Javier. Now RL, baseball pass. Anas is there, Anas. Now Kalachuche, guard by Javier. Kalachuche now, stop up, Kalachuche mo, Kalachuche again now, rebound on. It's Alba. Alba short rebound on Samoy. Goal on Samoy. Top. Is Rasman. Side step. In and out. Gibis. Foul on number 16 on Samoy. It's third personal foul on Samoy. Third. On the new substitution rep.
Ano sabi mo? Third?
Bate, dalawa.
Ang kati ng popcorn na to eh. Hey.
51-44. Basket substitution there pa.
Yeah, aywa. Player of the game. Player of the game. Best player.
Samoy!
Balik.
Sambilay. To Kalachuche. Drive. Escape. Kalachuche. Now, short again. Kalachuche is libres. Now, Sambilay. Looking for Alba. Top. Alba. Move. Alba. 46-40-51. It's 5 point lead on NU. UE. Sub rep, sub dito sa rep, sub. 4 minutes. In and out. Ritual. Foul. Foul on Alba. It's warning for penalty to name your second personal foul on Ronnie Alba. 3 minutes and 49 seconds. First personal foul on Alba.
Gamit oras.
Javier. Take the shoot.
Nice.
Foul.
Ano na?
Foul on number 8 on Peralta. Penalty.
Peralta second.
Second personal foul on number 8 on Peralta.
Nice.
Ba, pa na si Daddy ah. Daddy Javier.
Tumitingga.
Hello, Daddy.
Okay.
Libre out Transman. Too deep. Sermando.
Labas.
10 to shoot.
Tapos na.
Oh! Ritual. Stop up. Sermando. Yes, on Sermando. 54-46. 8-point lead. On UE. Calatuche. Short. Rebound Miranda is fouled. Foul on number 1. On Rushman. Second team foul on UE. Second personal foul. Third on Rushman. Third personal foul against Rushman.
Nice.
47-54.
Bigay sa screen. Bigay mo na. Wag. Nice. Uy.
Alba.
Go, Kuya Alba!
Oh! It's UE ball. Pirata. Lacson. Short. 2 minutes. 14 to set clock 14.
One hand.
It's foul. Penalty rep.
Lacson third.
Third personal foul on Roshiro and Lacson. Out and you over the limit. Next game for our inter-province category. It's Isabela versus Bisdak.
Isa lang daw. Isa lang.
Yes, sir. Yes, can I help you?
Pero Bibi, ha?
Isa lang daw ka. Nice daw. Baba.
85-47.
Bigay yung screen ha.
One hand ulit yan.
Calatuche, signature shot. It's second try on Calatuche. Foul on Ronnie Alba. Penalty rep.
Foul, baby Alba. Third.
Go, Rapat. 150.
Ay, second.
Inom mo na ng tubig.
Alba second.
Manajos.
Kuya!
Nice.
Kaya sila ako nahilog ba? Nagbinas ko na kulang ko dito.
Ha?
Nahilog ko dito.
Hindi, sumahilom na pa eh. May tibin mo ba?
Wala yung team was ko na inyo ako.
Nice. Balik na.
Pagkakon ko po 50.
Okay. Nice! Dali. Ano?
Balik ko nga nila.
Balik sa uno, Tor. Sa uno. Balik sa uno.
14 to shoot. 1 minute and 20. 10 point lead UE. 10 to shoot. Whoa! ALBA Alma. 1 minute. $55 seconds.
Kaya pa.
It's foul. 13 foul on UE. 13 foul on UE.
Sino nag-foul? Anas?
Yung best.
47 seconds. 47.
Press.
Savoy. Alba. Air ball. Top. It's 29 seconds. Last 29 seconds. 57-49. It's 8-point lead on UE.
That's man. Lagi mga best player dito din. That's man rin. Best player pa rin rin.
Sige lang.
Kuhan lang. BOP dito.
14 seconds.
BOP nga.
Best friend.
Ayan na.
10 seconds. And per game winner is UE. It's 57 against the 49.